ध्रुव राठी और ओरी के बीच छिड़ गई नई कंट्रोवर्सी। ओरी का आरोप है कि ध्रुव राठी ने अपनी वीडियो में सिर्फ व्यूज और क्लिक के लिए उनकी फोटो थंबनेल में लगाई, जबकि वीडियो में उनका जिक्र तक नहीं था। इतना ही नहीं, अब सोशल मीडिया पर ध्रुव राठी पर सिलेक्टिव नेगेटिविटी और बायस्ड होने के आरोप भी लग रहे हैं।
I don't know what the topics are exactly because I don't really follow everything, but he'll say something weird that doesn't make sense, and when he should be covering something, he just won't cover it, and that's why I just don't like the guy. Also, isn't he like an AI bot? Isn't he AI? Isn't he always doing that? Isn't that his AI figure doing that? I'm just, even when I look at you, even your AI looks cheap. Either you look that bad or your AI looks cheap, you know?
आप क्या बोलते हो ध्रुव राठी को you call?
Dhruv Tatti. I saw that somewhere online and I can't leave it. It's so funny. Like people call me now Ori Behan Ki Lodi. So yeah, Dhruv Tatti.
Okay.
We all have our digital name.
And what are other digital names that Ori has? What are the worst names people have
You
called
can ask
Ori?
me the worst, but to me they're not. Like I said, I've earned my hate. So every time someone comes up with a new fun way to hate me, I'm like, that's so creative. Everyone is so creative. You get an award for creativity. There was Ori, his father forgot to put S before his name. And then there was Ori Behan Ki Lodi, which is always there. But I don't remember. Those are the standalone ones. Like those are the best ones. And they're classic. They stay till today.
What pronouns does Ori use?
He, him.
He, him.
And if you ask me my pronouns, I will judge.
Why?
If someone says, what are your pronouns? I'm going to turn around and leave. Like this is not this is not important.
Okay.
Like you addressing me as he, him, or she, her, or whatever is not important. And if that's something that you think is important to you, we will never get along. That's it.
मतलब ये तो बहुत टाइम से ही चलता रहा होगा ना कि जब भी लोग कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं अपने स्किन पे, अपने कपड़ों पे, अपने बोलने, पहनने, खाने पीने के तरीके से, तो लोग कमेंट्स पास करते हैं. सो हैव यू बीन सब्जेक्टेड टू दीज कमेंट्स थ्रू आउट लाइफ बचपन से?
Always. I was more feminine when I was a kid than I am now because I go through different phases. So I was very, very feminine before. So I've had worse comments before also. And I used to dress the part to receive those comments. So now if you're dressing the part to receive those comments, you can't. Also, we live in India. Don't expect 90% of the country to change themselves for you. Don't expect it. So even the other day, some guy put up some video where he's shaming some boy because he says he's not a guy, he's bisexual. And I've commented saying that he didn't mean he's not a guy, he's bi. He just meant he's giving context. Like, that man's not a regular guy, he's a bi guy. And he's like, oh, but even a bi guy is a regular. I was like, I get it. But if this is the hill you want to die on and this is the battle you want to pick, you will never get anywhere. So please, you have to... I cannot change you, but I can change myself if I'm unhappy, right? So I always believe in that. You cannot change everyone around you. Don't expect everyone around you to change. If you come and say, oh, hey sis, or call me a she, which everyone does, I don't have time. If I give so much attention and stress and priority in my day to this, what am I going to do? How am I going to make my reels?
Ori को बहुत सारे queer communities भी गाली देती हैं कई बार.
They hate me. They hate me. And the other day someone said to me like, yeah, but y'all are the face of the queer community. I was like, y'all hate me. Y'all hate on me every day. How am I suddenly the face when y'all need, like, the trans bill that just got passed has nothing to, people are making reels saying I'm responsible for the bill. I've woken up and I'm like, now even this I'm responsible. You think I have so much influence to change the whole trans bill and that too not in your favor, that I have so much power, but y'all are hating on me. So if I do have the power, why would I change it in your favor? Why would I help anyone if you're going to hate on me, right? Sugar is better than vinegar. You want help from someone, you be nice. You can't hate me into helping you. Also, I didn't even know what the trans bill was. I then had to go educate myself on it. Imagine being accused of passing a bill.
एक सेंटेंस जो कि औरी ने बोला है कि सिर्फ 2 genders होते हैं, एंड आई थिंक उसकी वजह से भी कुछ ट्रोलिंग हेट मिला होगा.
But a lot of backlash. Yes, I can't believe in 2026 it's controversial to say that there are only 2 genders. But no, there are 3. I was wrong. There's intersex. And so somewhere I said, I apologize to everyone who's intersex. I do apologize. I was maybe ignorant of me and now I know better and so I'm correcting myself. And everyone crazy again. He's saying now he's saying there are only 3, but there are only 3. Like, oh, he's discrediting, he's trans people, he's saying that. No, because even if you're trans, you're male going to female or you're female going to male. So what is the other thing? You tell me, what is the other thing?
I believe personally कि जेंडर एक स्पेक्ट्रम है, एक राइट रॉन्ग नहीं है, एक सर्कल है मेरे ख्याल से.
So what can you be then? You can't be half 3/4 male and 1/4 female, right? Like you're either male or you're female. You're male becoming female or female becoming male.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि दिन पे डिपेंड करता है.
No, you can't change your gender with your mood. Now so people used to make that joke about me saying, oh, Ori changes his sexuality with his mood and with the season. You can't do that. You can't do that. You cannot do that. And you know why I believe in this so strictly? I feel, and I'm going to tell you this, which I've not told anyone. is because you do whatever you want in your life. You want to be a spectrum and a rainbow khichdi and a bowl of Skittles. You do what you want. But a lot of them, I don't know why, they need everyone else's approval and need to shove it in everyone's face and push it into everyone. That's what I don't like. Because you can't force yourself into spaces that are for other people. I don't believe in men in the women's bathroom. I don't. Does that mean I think a trans woman can't be in the women's bathroom? No, if you've done the surgery, if you've done whatever, like it's a bit complicated where the line is, but I don't believe they can't. But if you have all your biological male parts, I don't think you can be. Use a gender neutral bathroom. In college in Parsons, we had male, female, gender neutral. So in gender neutral, when you go in, it could be anything. If a girl goes in and there's a boy or anything else, you knew that when you went in, you're aware and you made the conscious decisions. You can't get shocked. But if you go into the girls' bathroom, there's a man, that's not okay. That's a safe space. Why do we have separate bathrooms? Imagine if you're a little girl and that happens, like they get exposed to this or that. But they don't even want to use the gender neutral bathroom because they would want to, this is my experience, maybe not all of them for sure, but they'd want to push it that no, we are female. Can't do that. And the reason I'll say it is because I feel it also confuses the minds of kids. If you're a boy and you're a little effeminate and then they tell you, oh no, you're a girl actually, and they start you on these hormone blockers and you do this irreversible surgery and you're not actually trans woman in your head or whatever, your life is over. You've mutilated yourself. You can't reverse it. And I was that boy. I was that boy who was effeminate a little bit, who maybe wore makeup and did other really girly things in pictures you may one day see if I choose to post them. So I was that boy. And I could have been that confused boy. And people did confuse me. And God forbid I did something to my body that I couldn't change back. Where would I be today? I love my dick. I have so much fun with it. I am a man end to end and I love being a man. Imagine if when I was a little impressionable, underage kid and I was influenced, and so I worry for those kids. That's where my worry comes from. My worry is for that boy who's a little effeminate, that people then confuse him into thinking he's something else. And that's my fear. And I fear for those. I was that boy. I lived that. I'll show you those pictures of how girly I used to be at one point. We all go through phases and I thought this was my phase, but it wasn't my phase. It lasted not that long, but I was very girly, and I will show you that picture. You can use it maybe even. And I'm so happy being the boy I am today. Just imagine, I'd maybe not be here.
To be the devil's advocate.
Yes.
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि इंडिया में अभी हम उस स्टेज पे ही नहीं है जहाँ पे बच्चे अगर एक लड़का अगर लड़की की तरह ड्रेसअप हो रहा हो, छोटा बच्चा, तो उसको सर्जरी की तरफ पुश किया जाएगा या फिर उसके एफेमिनेट होने को सपोर्ट किया जाएगा, उसको कर भी कर दिया जाएगा. यू आर राइट कि फोर्सफुल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं होना चाहिए.
It's not forceful. It's influence.
Influence transformation भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
You may not be, I may not be forcing you, but if I've influenced you into thinking, if I make you think you can have the Taj Mahal and you can't, right? Like, if I influence you into thinking you can become a girl and you do something to do that and it's not right, it's that influence. You'll do it to yourself. I can't force you to do it. I don't know if we've reached that stage where older in America, how some school teachers decide. You're right. I don't know if we've reached forcing stage, but it's just influence. Because what if I did it to myself? What if I wasn't forced, I was just confused. It's the confusion that I fear.
I think you are right in the sense कि in your experience, if you were in that stage, तो वो बहुत अलग फ्यूचर निकल के आता. वर्सेस मेरे को ऐसा भी लगता है कि जैसे मेरा भाई है, अगर मेरा भाई हु इज ओपनली ही ड्रेसेस अप फेमिनिन, तो मेरे तो पेरेंट्स में अभी वो समझ ही नहीं आएंगे कि क्या हो रहा है. मतलब दे डोंट नो कि जेंडर में तीसरी चीज भी है. तो स्पेक्ट्रम तो खैर भूल ही जाओ उधर तक पहुंचाना. तो आई थिंक देयर आर मल्टीपल levels to what you are dressing up as, depending upon where you are.
I feel instead of fighting for everyone should know our pronouns and everyone should this and everyone should that, fight for your spaces.
Yes.
I'm not saying don't fight. I'm not saying I'm not anti them at all. I'm not saying they can't exist or anything like that. Just fight for your spaces. Don't go in the women's bathroom. Take the gender neutral bathroom. Fight for a genderless bathroom. That's not that hard a thing to fight for. But you'd rather fight for everyone having to know your pronouns and everyone having to validate you. But you can't fight for a third bathroom in public spaces. Then it's that, right? If you're a boy, even if you take hormone blockers, I don't think your body will ever be as delicate as a female's body, right?
तो क्या ये सिर्फ क्लिकबैट था या फिर ओरी का गुस्सा जायज है? कमेंट करके अपनी राय जरूर बताइए.